we are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more related unclear words, both in British English and in American English, as the two pronunciations differ slightly. In British English, this is normally said as werewolves, werewolves. In American English, however, it is normally said as werewolves, werewolves in American English versus werewolves in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more.